The first principle in Napoleon Hill's Key to Success that Andrew Carnegie told him about and the other millionaires told him about was wanting it bad enough. Anyone can say, sure, I'd like some wealth, I'd like to be rich, of course. But the journey for most people will take over their life, so it can't be a wish, it can't be a hope, it can't be just a nice to have additional thing in their life. Most millionaires that he interviewed obsessed about wealth and really made it their life's goal. Now, for you, I don't know that if that's really what you want to do. You might have other things you want to do with your life. But the truth is that you will need to have a singular focus or a very narrow focus to achieve tremendous goals in life, whether it's wealth, whether it's something else. In picking those goals, that's almost the art of life, the art of your life's work. If you pick the wrong goals, very bad. If you pick the right goals, it will be fulfilling even if you're not materially wealthy. But in this case, for the millionaires, that obsession with wealth and that very narrow, nearly singular focus on wealth was precisely the first principle that got them there.